Open the Dimensions LS software and select the Measurement Workspace tab. In the Set Zero window, select the green Set Zero button. A Set Zero operation yields the background measurement of the dispersion medium only. The Set Zero data indicates the cleanliness of the sample cell, the effectiveness of the rinsing procedure, and the hardware function. A failed Set Zero returns the error message, warning, high background. Carryover particles or contamination in the FLOWSYNC are probable causes for a high background warning. As an initial troubleshooting step, click the Rinse button, followed by a Set Zero operation. If the Set Zero after rinsing is successful, the sample cell does not need to be removed. If the Set Zero fails again, proceed with removing and cleaning the sample cell. It is helpful to prepare a clean workspace near the instrument. The choice of cleaning fluid is best determined by matching the carrier fluid. In most cases, a 2% solution of surfactant or isopropanol are adequate. In the Measurement Workspace, click Drain to remove all carrier fluid. Once the drain sequence is completed, remove the FLOWSYNC module from the base. Warning: only handle the sample cell by the black metal handle. Use extreme caution to not touch the outer cell windows or splash fluids on these surfaces. Open the sample cell holder latch, remove the sample cell, and place it on a cloth. Perform an initial inspection of the sample cell. Check the O-ring on the sample cell holder for any damage or leakage. Form a 15 centimeter section of the pipe cleaner into a Luke shape. The shape allows sufficient contact and even pressure with all interior surfaces of the cell. Dip the swab into the cleaning solution and run the swab back and forth in the sample cell to agitate and clear the fouled material. If the cell is excessively dirty, rinse the swab with water. Dip the swab into the cleaning solution again and repeat the process. Hold the sample cell upright and carefully rinse through the flow path. Dry the top and bottom of any residual rinse fluids. Reinsert the sample cell into the sample cell holder, ensuring the identifier chip has made proper contact. After successfully reinstalling the sample cell and FLOWSYNC module, navigate to the Measurement Workspace. In the Manual Operation block, click the Fill button. Then select Set Zero. The preceding video demonstrates how to diagnose high background errors, also how to properly clean the sample cell and resume particle measurement. If you are experiencing continuous background errors, please contact the Microtrac service department by visiting microtrac.com.